So how can you bring up YouTube video URLs on the iPad? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you'll never miss anything important. So on the iPad, most people use YouTube app, right? So in the web browser, you can access all of the URLs. It's just right there. But if you're using the app, as most people do, you can open up your videos like this, right? So you can just start playing it. And then if you want to check out the URL of that video, tap on the share button, which is below, and then you will have the ability to copy link. So the copy link button will copy the URL of that video. So you can then go to another place, like you can save it into your notes or I don't know, whatever it might be, but that is exactly the link for the YouTube video. So you can paste it into your web browser or share it or do whatever you need, but that's the important part. So that's how you can bring up the URL. So I really hope that I can help you out with this. If you by any chance had something else in mind that you had a problem with or whatever, let me know about it below in the comments. It's possible I'll make an updated video about it. I try to, cover as many things as possible on this channel. So stay tuned for more by subscribing, and I'll see you later in the next videos as well.